Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing any codes. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. And now go and click on General. Once you go to the General settings, you should scroll down till you find here iPhone storage. Just tap on the iPhone storage and wait till this page load. So once it's loaded, just like so, you will now have to scroll up till you find here the search bar and search for Authenticator. And here you have it, Authenticator, as you can see. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can simply see here Offload app. Simply click on Offload app, then click on Offload app again and wait till it reload and gives you here this button, reinstall app. So simply click on reinstall app and this will force the application to do the update process. This will force it to update to the latest version. And once it is updated to the latest version, your problem will be fixed. And you can do so also by going to the App Store and search for Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, then update it to the latest version, and this will also help. But this method that I have shown you in this video is better and it has the more efficient approach. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.